Good. This is an ATMAT question. Question 1, worksheet 1. A builder has been asked to construct a rectangular base house extension. The length of the extension must be 10 meters greater than the width. Let the width of the extension be x. Write down an expression for the area of the extension in terms of x. The area of the extension must be less than 375 meters squared. Part 2. Form an inequality in x and solve it to find the range of possible values for the width of the extension. Now, what we will do is we will draw a diagram, right, to show what is happening in the question. So, in this diagram here, you see that the width of the extension be x. So we see that the width is x and the leg of the extension is 10 meters greater than the width. So therefore, this is 10 plus x. Now write down an expression for the area of the extension in terms of x. And this is a rectangular base extension. So you know that the area of a rectangle is equal to the length by the width, which is equal to 10 plus x multiplied by x. Right, so the area equal to x to 10 plus the x. Right, so the answer for part 1. Right. Part 2 now. In part 2, we see the area of the extension must be less than 375. Right, so we're looking for the area to be less than 375. So if the area is less than 375, we have to form an inequality of x and solve it to find the range of possible values for the width of the extension. In other words, find for x. Form an inequality and find for x. So part 2, the inequality formed x by x plus 10 is less than 375. So that means that x squared plus 10x minus 375 is less than 0. Now, if x squared plus 10x minus 375 is less than 0, then I can factorize this, and what I'll end up getting is x plus 25 times x minus 15 is less than 0. So therefore, my critical values are x is less than negative 25 and x is less than 15. Right? So if I'm to draw a graph to show this information, my graph is going to look like this. Now, since x squared is positive, it's going to look like this, where and this is negative 25 here, and this portion here is 15. So I'm looking for that portion where it is negative, the graph is negative, so that is underneath the x-axis. So that is from negative 25 is less than x, is less than 15. Now since the length cannot be a negative quantity, that means that my range of values are from 0 is less than x is less than 15. So my width could be anywhere from 0 less than x is less than 15. Maybe from 1 onward a value greater than 0 was 1 etc. Right?